Welcome to the exciting realm of woodworking, where creativity and craftsmanship converge to create not only beautiful pieces, but also profitable ventures. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, this journey offers an opportunity to turn your passion into a thriving business. Woodworking allows you to explore a variety of techniques and styles, giving you the freedom to express your artistic vision while catering to market demands. With the right approach, you can transform raw materials into sought-after products that resonate with customers and enhance your creative fulfillment. As we delve deeper into the world of woodworking for profit, you'll discover essential strategies and insights that can help you navigate this rewarding landscape. From identifying market trends to mastering the intricacies of quality craftsmanship, the journey involves a blend of art and business acumen. You'll learn how to effectively promote your creations, build a strong brand identity, and engage with your audience. This guide aims to equip you with practical knowledge and inspiration, enabling you to embark on your woodworking business with confidence and passion. Let's unlock the potential of your craft together. Woodworking has long been a cherished craft, allowing artisans to create functional and beautiful items from raw materials. In recent years, the intersection of woodworking and business has become increasingly attractive to hobbyists and professionals alike. Many woodworkers are discovering that they can turn their passion into a profitable venture, leveraging their skills to generate income. By focusing on projects that are not only appealing, but also have a high market demand, woodworkers can create a sustainable business model. One of the key aspects of a successful woodworking business is understanding the market. Researching trends and identifying what consumers are looking for can significantly influence the types of projects that woodworkers choose to undertake. Social media platforms and online marketplaces serve as excellent resources for gauging popular styles and preferences, providing insights into what might sell well. By staying attuned to these trends, woodworkers can align their creations with consumer desires, ensuring a steady flow of sales. Moreover, the importance of quality craftsmanship cannot be overstated. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for products that showcase attention to detail and superior construction. In a competitive market, woodworkers must differentiate themselves by delivering exceptional quality in their projects. This commitment to craftsmanship not only builds a strong reputation, but also fosters customer loyalty, which can lead to repeat business over time. In addition to quality, branding plays a crucial role in the success of a woodworking business. Developing a strong brand identity helps to establish trust and credibility with potential customers. This can include everything from a memorable business name and logo to a cohesive online presence. Effective branding communicates the unique values and aesthetic of the woodworker, making it easier for customers to connect with and choose their products over competitors. Pricing strategies are another essential consideration for woodworking entrepreneurs. Setting the right price involves balancing the cost of materials, labor, and overhead with the perceived value of the finished product. Woodworkers should conduct thorough market research to understand the pricing landscape in their specific niche. This ensures that their offerings are competitive while still allowing for a healthy profit margin. Furthermore, diversifying product offerings can help to mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. By creating a range of products that appeal to different customer segments, woodworkers can attract a broader audience. This might involve exploring varying styles, sizes, or functionalities within their projects. Such diversification not only enhances sales potential, but also provides a cushion during slower sales periods. Marketing is another critical component of a successful woodworking business. Utilizing digital marketing strategies, such as social media advertising and email campaigns, can significantly expand reach and visibility. Engaging content that showcases the crafting process, Behind-the-scenes glimpses or customer testimonials can foster a strong connection with followers. Building an active online community can lead to word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for growing a business. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs, markets, or exhibitions can provide woodworkers with opportunities to showcase their creations and interact directly with potential customers. These events not only allow artisans to sell their products, but also to gather feedback and observe consumer reactions. Such insights can inform future projects and business decisions, ultimately enhancing overall success. Another avenue for growth is exploring collaborations with other local businesses. By partnering with complementary brands, woodworkers can tap into new customer bases and create unique offerings. These collaborations can lead to cross-promotional opportunities, further increasing visibility and sales potential. Establishing relationships within the local community can create a strong network of support, beneficial for any woodworking business. As the woodworking business grows, it's crucial to consider scalability. Many woodworkers start as sole proprietors, but as demand increases, they may need to explore options for expanding their operations. This could involve hiring additional help, investing in larger workspace, or adopting more efficient production methods. Planning for scalability early on can help ensure that the business is prepared to meet increasing customer demands without compromising quality. Emphasizing sustainability can also resonate well with today's eco-conscious consumers. Woodworkers who prioritize sustainable practices, such as sourcing reclaimed wood or employing environmentally friendly finishes, can attract a dedicated customer base. Highlighting these practices in marketing materials can set a woodworking business apart, as sustainability becomes an increasingly important factor in purchasing decisions. Customer service is another cornerstone of a successful woodworking enterprise. Building strong relationships with customers through exceptional service can lead to positive reviews and referrals. Woodworkers should prioritize communication, ensuring that customers feel valued and heard throughout the buying process. This level of engagement can enhance customer satisfaction and contribute to a positive brand reputation. Finally, continuous learning and adaptation are vital in the woodworking business. As trends evolve and new techniques emerge, staying informed can provide a competitive edge. Woodworkers should invest in their skills through workshops, online courses, or networking with other professionals. The more knowledge and skill a woodworker possesses, the better equipped they will be to innovate and meet market demands. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the insights and information valuable as you explore the exciting world of woodworking for profit. If you enjoyed the content and learned something new, please take a moment to like the video. It really helps us reach more viewers like you. Don't forget to share it with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might benefit from these tips and ideas. Your support means a lot to us, and it motivates us to create more engaging and informative content. Finally, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and tutorials so you never miss out on the latest woodworking projects and business strategies. Thank you once again for your support, and happy woodworking!